Hi there, I'm Rich from Environment Canterbury's biosecurity team. Thanks for joining me today as I explain another one of the methods we're using to help prevent the spread of pests and diseases between properties and also across the Canterbury region. On the back of our truck here, we've got a 110 litre polyethylene tank. It's light and durable, and this one has been moulded to a size that sits below the rear view window here, and it also allows enough space for us still to get a couple of motorbikes on here should we need to. On top of our tank, we've got a 70 psi pump and hose unit. This pump's being screwed to the top of the tank so that it's actually just one transferable unit. The electrical connection for this pump has been hardwired to the battery, which makes it really quick and easy just to hop out and switch it on and get going. But we also have kept an adapter that can go into a 12-volt outlet, a cigarette lighter. So this whole unit could be taken away and plugged into a different vehicle or used for a different purpose if need be, like washing down boats between waterways or something else. We see this as a useful tool for anyone who is potentially moving off properties with equipment or a vehicle that is dirty. Washing down back at the depot or the farm is too late, because mud tracked down the road and flung onto roadsides is a very easy way to spread pests. The farm gate is the last line of defence. Go off properties clean and go on to properties clean. And remember, biosecurity is everyone's responsibility.